I really pissed off a lot of people with this project. Hi, I'm Ruth, and I built a cinder block raised garden bed after I built a wood one and it started deteriorating and fell apart. So it took us days to tear down the other one because we only had a few hours a day with little babies running around. Now, after I leveled all the ground, I put down pea gravel and then I started working on my cinder blocks. I spent a whole lot of time on that first one because the first one is the base of everything. Once that's level, then everything else will be easier to level off of that. Here's where people started to get their underwear in a bunch. Yes, you saw that correctly. I am gluing the cinder blocks together. I got some outdoor construction adhesive and I'm gluing all of the sides of each cinder block to one another. That second level went by so much faster once everything was already all level, so I just glued those down pretty fast. And no, my patio is not level, the blocks are. It has drainage, so it's sloped like that, but I don't know, do other people's patios not slope? Anyways, I decided I wanted this thing to be about 3 blocks high, so I'm doing 2 rows of the solid blocks, and then the top I'm using top caps. They are solid 2-inch little pieces of concrete that fit perfectly on the top and hide the cinder block look, because that's just not cute. It's not a cute look, and I know the sides still look like cinder blocks, but we're getting there, just bear with me. So yeah, you just stack the blocks like this. It's like so easy. I let the blocks sit and cure for a while, and then I came back, and now we're going to make it not look like cinder blocks. I found this stuff called surface bonding cement to use to cover the outside. I haven't been able to find it since, so good luck. After I mixed it all up, I wet the surface of the cinder blocks so it didn't just suck all the moisture out of the cement. I had a very limited amount of surface bonding cement, so I used a small trowel to apply it to make sure I didn't drop big globs. And I didn't want it super smooth. I wanted like that stucco kind of textured look. So I was fine with trowel marks and things like that. I just kind of roughly applied it. So here it is, all complete. The grass will grow up to the edge and cover all the pea gravel and the mess that I left. You know, a lot of people thought this was an expensive waste of money, and I don't know how much people think cinder blocks are, but they're like $1 each, and I only use 16 per layer. What do you think? Worth 150 bucks?